Hi everyone. We had a lot of rain last night and this morning, and the garden is just looking amazing. I know I've shared many times that rain does wonders to a garden. It's like magic, and I'm so happy. I um, used these wood stakes for the tomatoes, and I did it just in time for the rain. I feel like it just helps solidify everything. And then we have a lot of ladybugs too, which I'm so happy about. Yeah, everything is looking lush, just a good, healthy green. We have cucumbers. This one, I'm gonna give it a couple more days and then I'm gonna harvest it. It's a good size already. We have a lot of tomatoes. Summer. I started trimming away a lot of the suckers from all of the tomatoes just to help give the energy more to the rest of the plant and the tomatoes. This, I'm so happy it's surviving. It was looking a lot like this, and what I did was I just trimmed away the not so good looking leaves. And look at, oh, I did trim away these two as well, just to give all of the energy to the healthy part. And now we have a flower. I also went to our favorite coffee shop this morning, and they're so good with gardening. And they're just overall really good with the community. They have a bag of coffee grounds for free. They always have them in a section outside of their coffee shop, and they had one left. So we got there and we got this big, it's more than enough, but it's filled with coffee grounds, and coffee grounds are so great for the garden, for the soil. So I'm going to be sprinkling that in probably tomorrow morning. I don't think we're going to get any more rain. If we were to get more rain today, then I would sprinkle it right now so the rain can penetrate that into the soil, but it's not. So I'll do it tomorrow morning before I water. This was attacked, I think, by crows. So unfortunately, that's a goner. But everything else is just looking so healthy and amazing. It's so pretty being in the garden after the rain. I don't know why, I just love it. Like, even the kale is popping out more. The flowers are perking up. I tell you, the rain is just amazing. So see this right here? It's always important just to snip this away. Snip that away. Snip this one away. That way, all of the energy can not go into these, but can go into the rest. And then you'll just see everything flourish and get healthy and more growth. So whenever you see these things, just clip them out. Like tomorrow too, I'm going to clip these out. And then that way the energy can focus on that. The kale, I'm going to do away with the kale. I trimmed away because we had a lot of bad kale. See, this is still healthy. Still feels really good. So maybe I'll keep a couple of them. Like maybe this one I'll do away with. And maybe this one too. And then put something else in here. I'll probably keep these two also. But trim away heavy. But yeah. See that there's still some good ones. And they feel really good. Feel really healthy. So yeah, I've been trying to figure out what to do with the kale. I harvested that yesterday. I'm gonna still see if I can keep this broccoli. I mean, it doesn't hurt. It's not taking up a lot of space, but I don't know. We'll see if I get any more shooters or any more harvest from this. If not, then I'm just going to take it out and then put something. I can put like butternut squash or something else preparing for summer, late summer. Our jalapenos are also doing really good. We have a lot of flowers. That one should be ready for harvest soon. Our strawberries are doing great. I'm going to have to start trimming back the chamomile, but I really love the chamomile. But everything's just looking amazing. So happy. The arugula just keeps growing and growing and growing, which I love. Can't keep up with. I share it. Our cantaloupe is doing so much better, kind of similar to the cucumber, where there was some leaves, just wasn't doing too good, and I trimmed away, and then it just bounced back, and now we have flowers, so that means we're going to be having cantaloupes, which is very exciting, and it has enough space to vine out. So that's it. Have a great day.